Bon appetit. In today's video, we're going to talk about gut health and the 3 things that are causing gut issues that I believe are top 3, and then what you can do to help boost your good gut bacteria to help you balance your whole ecosystem in your body. Okay, so I bet you probably didn't know that pharmaceutical drugs are killing the bacteria in your gut. So let me explain the gut for you. So you have a lining inside of your stomach. That lining is lined with good bacteria and bad bacteria. And you want to balance. You need some bad bacteria. Now, when you consume this, it's going in and it's feeding the bad bacteria. And it's killing the good bacteria. That's responsible for your brain health, for your colon health, for your overall immune system. Your gut is everything. So this is changing the whole gut terrain to the negative side. Okay? Any pharmaceutical drug. And the next thing I bet you didn't realize is at some level we're all taking antibiotics, hormones, and steroids in our meat. If you're eating chicken, steak, beef, anything like that, they're treated with these chemicals because the animal has it, our body then gets it, and now we are killing our good bacteria and we're trying to eat healthy. The next thing is really a sad story because the plant is in the ground and there's soil, and that soil has been chemically altered with herbicides, pesticides in the plant, but then the soil gets killed because they're using fertilizers and any kind of chemicals which are killing all the microbes in the soil, which are responsible to break down the soil so the plant can absorb it. But because they're using herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, it's killing all the good, and now the plant is loaded with pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, homicides, suicide. It's killing the good bacteria. So organic whenever possible, and fresh is always best. Now, and if you don't take these, you probably don't have an issue with your gut anyways. The next thing I want to introduce you to is this is hydrogen water. This is Healthy Hydration's Hydro Shot. This is the leading brand out in the marketplace. What we're doing here is we are making molecular hydrogen gas. So I push the button, I have filtered water in here. What this gas does is it goes in and it feeds the good bacteria, specifically the hydrogen trophs that are in your gut. These are bacteria that take fiber, break down the fiber, and off-gas molecular hydrogen, which your body uses as the most powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. Antioxidant means anti-age, so it's fighting free radicals and toxins, at the same time as boosting your good bacteria. So this is a staple to your gut health, as well as these supplements here. This is HydraFX, also found over Healthy Hydration. This is a European product, and what it does, it gives your bacteria, your good bacteria, everything it requires to make its own molecular hydrogen. Because let's face it, most of us are not eating the recommended daily amount of fiber, which is 27 grams, up to 35 grams if you're a male or female. And that's a lot of broccoli. We probably have at least 12 grams here, but if you're not eating 27 grams, a lot of broccoli to eat every day. And then, there's the hydrogen gas that expels out of your body, and he's like, I don't want to eat so many vegetables, right? But this here doesn't make you do that. This helps to boost your bacteria in your gut, to help the ecosystem in your body, so your brain and your body communicate, your brain and your gut communicate. Your energy stays strong. Lots of our clients now are losing weight. I know I have. I've pretty much eaten anything I want, and this stuff here goes in and helps keep my body balanced. So that's how you're gonna maintain your gut health. Stay away from these items, organic when possible, and add molecular hydrogen because your body deserves it.